To customize settings, tap the main menu in the upper left and select Settings. You can enable Use Cellular Data for exam uploads/downloads, adjust scroll direction, activate a capture sound notification, or toggle hospital mode for additional adjustments. You can choose your preferred language. The Apache app also supports multiple languages, including English, traditional Chinese, Russian, and Indonesian. You can select your preferred system language based on your preference. Voice control allows voice commands for gestures like gain, depth, and freeze. Adjust display brightness level and font sizes, set Cine Loop to 60 seconds, and choose a 10-second video record option. Customize auto freeze duration, 1 to 30 minutes, or turn it off and set the auto shutdown probe from 15 to 120 minutes to extend battery life.